What's going on, guys? This is the Garage Giant. Today we're going to change the front axle fluid on our four-wheel drive Ford Explorer. Let's get into it. To start off, you'll need a Torx Plus 50 bit with an extension. Along with the drain pan and pump, you're going to need the 75W140 synthetic fluid. Once you're under the vehicle, the front differential is located between the front axles. On the right hand side of the housing, you'll find the fill plug. As always, crack the fill plug first to ensure that you're able to get fluid back in. As you can see, I'm using the Torx Plus 50 bit socket with a 6-inch extension. Once the fill plug is loose, we can move down to the drain plug and let the fluid drain out. As a side note, these plugs can be on pretty tight, so you might need both hands or even a breaker bar to break them loose. As the fluid drains, it's a good idea to inspect the drain plug magnet. A small amount of metallic debris is normal, but large metallic pieces could indicate excessive wear inside the differential. To assist with draining the fluid, I'm now completely removing the fill plug. Clean up the drain plug, apply some sealant, and reinstall. Before filling the front axle, make sure the vehicle is level so you get the correct amount of fluid back in. Now pump fresh gear oil through the fill hole. When the fluid starts to trickle out of the opening, the differential is full. This differential takes about 0.6 quart of gear oil. After cleaning up the fill plug, go ahead and apply some sealant and reinstall. And just like that, you've completed maintenance on your 4-wheel drive Ford Explorer. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one.